Yes, the team is really progressing well. The coach is trying to assemble a team of youthful players and experienced players. He's trying to give local players as well opportunities, like he said in his previous interviews. So it's a combination of a blended mixture of experience and youth, but we are still not yet there. But like you've said, it was a good performance to see the team playing some beautiful quality football.
At the match again, Ayub Timber get injured. His ankle was again very swollen, therefore it was not possible to let him play. Therefore he has gone back to China. With Johnson was the situation different. They have a very difficult match. They play Porto, and the club asked many times for support in this point because Johnson had worked hard to get his place in the team, and I was thinking it is good to have a good relation for the future for him and the boy.